Bongator, 20, from the Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System.
I am here not because I am perfect. However, I am here because someone believes in me. Going beyond our comfort zone will always be the greatest fight we all have to conquer. Rising above our comfort can turn us into someone we never expected we are. I never looked at myself as a strong person before because of my condition. However, as I rise and go beyond, I see a new me that is ready to take over the world with great boldness and confidence. One time, my dad told me that purpose is your direction towards life. It has always been in my heart to serve people, especially the youth, and it's very alarming that depression, suicide, and anxiety have been slowly killing the hopes and dreams of my fellow youth. This drives my purpose. I am not here just to stand as a representative, but to stand as an inspiration to the young people who rise above every adversity of our life and believe that there is greatness within us. We just need to wake the warrior that is lying inside of us. Life may push us to stumble, but we will push back to fight.